Sometimes when I'm creating a project, I like to mask off different areas. Here we have masking magic sheets, as well as Tonic Nuvo masking fluid. I used the masking fluid on this card because I wanted to create a dark background, but I wanted to have a light area for my trees and for my Santa and sleigh. So I stamped the image with a light colored ink, and then I used the masking fluid with a fine tip bottle and covered the whole area. When it's wet, it's kind of a creamy color. As it dries, it turns more yellow. It'll protect those areas. So when I do this jelly print with a dark background, I'm going to have a lighter area to do those images once I've removed the masking fluid. It's easy to rub off with your fingers, but you could also use an adhesive eraser if you want some help. It is helpful with that adhesive eraser, especially on fine pointed areas like these trees. Once I have that done, I can go restamp and continue on my project, and I have that light area to work on. To use Masking Magic sheets, I'm die cutting a coordinating image from this Better Press plate image, and I'm putting it on top. The Masking Magic sheets have a adhesive backing that's kind of like a post-it note. So I can protect my whole area. Because my sheet's a little bit bigger, it's also holding my project in place while I'm doing some ink blending. Once I'm done doing all of that ink blending, I can remove that and I have a nice crisp white background, and all of those butterflies are completely colored in. It just peels right off like a post-it note. There's no damage to any of the cardstock, and that mask that was created can be used several times, so I put the backing right back on it, put it in the packaging with my Better Press plate and die, as well as the butterflies that come in between or come from the outside that were die cut out. Those can also be used as masks as well, so we might as well not waste them. Once they're in the packaging, they're good to go, and I'm ready for them next time I want to mask a project with this particular set. I love being able to have the option of different products to use to do masking off in different areas. It's great to be able to customize what works best for the project that you're working on.